Yes. Now
Okay,
I can see.
great. I have resolved this problem. My apologies. I got connected to a poor network. So, hello once again. Now you can see me clearly. You can hear me clearly.
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh,
Good evening, ma'am. Can you introduce
thank
yourself one more time?
one more time, sure. So, my name is Miss Monisha, and I am from Vrindavan. I live in Vrindavan. I am from Assam, which is in the northeast of India. And right now, I'm
Yes.
living in Vrindavan, which is in Uttar Pradesh. And I'm a communication coach since 10 years. And I love to teach people English and improve their confidence because I myself struggled while expressing myself in English, and I work really hard on myself. And today I am a communication coach. So I really love to help people in improving their communication skills. So that is my
Nice.
short introduction. Now, now I can see you clearly since the beginning. Okay, so can
Yes.
you tell me, your mom is sitting next to you. Can you tell me something about your mom?
My mother. My mother makes my videos, and she she play with me sometime also, and she makes my videos and upload on YouTube.
Oh,
Yes, and yeah,
so what kind of videos do you upload?
I upload videos like conversations. It's my channel on YouTube.
Okay, and how many subscribers do you have?
Maybe my subscribers are about 800.
Wow, and how often do you upload videos?
I upload maybe 80.
80.
Yes, 80.
80. Okay, so my question to you was, do you like gifts?
Yes, I like gifts.
Okay, so what is the best gift that you have received till now?
In my this birthday, in my last birthday, I also got all nice gifts, and my mother said I will give you gift after. So she gave me, and my mother's gift I like. My mother gift I like because I like teddies, and my mother bring me one teddy, and it's
Teddy.
very soft.
Wow. Teddy, she gave you a teddy.
Yes,
So, what are you doing with the teddy now? Where is the teddy now?
my teddy is in the bedroom.
Is in the bedroom.
Yes,
So, you and your teddy, you sleep together.
yes. When
Uh,
I going to sleep, I take my teddy.
okay.
I also like to play with animals' mask. Can I show you my animal mask?
Yes, you can.
But you will not scare.
Let's see if I can get scared. Show me.
Okay.
Oh, wow. So, can you tell me about this mask?
Yes. When we wear this lion mask, I scare to everyone, and it's fun to play with animals' mask. I also have a chimpanzee mask also.
Wow. So, what is the most difficult thing that you have ever done?
Difficult thing.
Yes, some task, anything that is very difficult, but you are still doing it or you have done it.
It's English speaking.
Ah, okay. So
Yes,
you're doing so fine. You're doing so well. It doesn't seem like that it is difficult for you.
yes, now I don't have difficult, but when I was just small and I just opened the channel and I was new on the YouTube, and that time I was just thinking that it's very too much hard task for me. But with how the days passed, but now I think it's very easy.
It is easy, yes. It's all up to you, right? Whether it's easy or difficult. Okay, and you're speaking really well. You're so confident. At your age, I was not so confident.
Okay.
So, where does this confidence come from?
My mother gave me this confidence all.
Very nice. Very. So, what is your age? What did you say? 7 years?
Yes, I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard.
Okay. So, what is your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subjects are maths and English. And why I like maths? Because it's little bit easy, and maths is a very nice subject for me. And it's nice addition, subtraction, or multiplication, story sums, so many things. And English, like I like English to speak, and to English stories also I like to read stories in English. Yes.
Okay. All right. If I'm your friend,
Hmm?
I'm your friend. I'm one of your very good friend, and I failed in my exam in my mathematics paper. Okay, and you are the topper. Okay, you are the topper, and I failed. So what will you tell me?
I tell that when after exam that you will be passed. Do hard work and do study. Do too much. I do study. That's why I get top. Yes.
Okay, but I'm very scared of my parents. My papa will, beat me up, and my mother will not let me go out. I'm very scared of them, Tanishka. Now, what to do?
So you will say them that from next time I will do study and do top.
But I'm very scared. How will I talk to them with so much confidence? I don't have so much confidence.
You will take the confidence yourself funny.
Myself only.
Yes.
How?
Mm, just do practice and make the confidence and yes. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful, very nice. You're so smart, Tanishka. You can think on the spot, right? So it was so much fun talking to you. We only have 2 3 minutes left, so I will quickly give you a what is my observation from our first session. I'm very sorry for the network issue. It was, I know, a problem from my side, so I have resolved it. And so we lost a few minutes. So never mind, if we meet again, then we'll definitely have a better session. But
Yes.
you speak very confidently at such a young age. I think you have done a lot of practice and you have improved a lot, right?
Yes. Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Yes, please.
Is it the first conversation with me?
Yes, it is. This is our first conversation.
Yes, and I'm very happy.
You're happy. I'm also very happy.
Yes, I'm happy to connect with you.
Okay, we will definitely connect again, right?
Yes, we will connect one more time.
So you always take your classes at this time?
Not always, at Saturday or Sunday.
Okay, otherwise on regular
Otherwise
days?
not. Otherwise night because my school is there, so I get exhausted. That's why.
Okay, so it's only on Saturday and Sunday that you take classes.
Yes.
Okay, so you speak very well. You're speaking very confidently. Your body language is very good. You're speaking very clearly. What you can improve is the tenses, right?
Yeah.
You have to focus more on your tenses, on the past tense, present tense. Somewhere you're missing ing. He play with
Yeah.
me instead of saying he is playing with me, right? So these are, you have to now focus because you are confident, you can speak clearly very well. That is
Yeah.
not a problem. So the what you have to focus on is the tenses. Okay, so try to focus more on the tenses and you will be even better speaker.
Yeah, I know little bit tenses, past tense, present tense, and future tense. I
Yeah,
know little bit.
you know little bit, right? It is
Yes.
confusing, but because English is not your first language, you normally speak in what, Hindi?
No, I speak in Marathi. My mother tongue is Marathi.
Marathi. Okay. So it is fine with more practice. When you study about grammar, then you will understand more. Okay.
Yes.
So, otherwise, anything else you want to say?
Um, I want to say, do you like to tell about your childhood?
My childhood. So, my childhood was in Assam, which is in the northeast of India. I
Yes.
s- I lived with my parents. I was born and raised in Assam. Then I moved to Mumbai for my higher education. And I lived in many places. I lived abroad. I lived in different cities. And since 2 years, I'm living in Vrindavan.
Okay, that's nice.
So, as a child, I was very studious. I loved to study. And I was a very good girl as a student, just like you. But you are very
Yes.
confident.
Yes. And can you tell me about your school name?
My school name is Monisha. Okay, Tanishka,
Yeah.
what is the time? Okay, it's 9:22. Fine. My school name is Monisha. I have only one name, Monisha.
Okay.
And in your free time, what do you like to do? You like to play with your mask.
In my free time, I like to read stories, and sometimes I like to go downstairs and play with my friends and playing with animals mask. Yes,
So
and playing with my sister also.
today was a holiday. So what did you do?
Today my holiday was. Today I wake up, I freshen up, then I had my
You have to say,
breakfast.
I woke up.
I
You said,
woke up.
yeah, I woke up.
Yes, I woke up. I do fun. I play. I do my study. I do revision because at the Monday there is my exam, and at the it's the last paper, and the paper is math. That's why I do revision. Yes, this I do, and had my lunch, to play more, do my study, and yes, and do my dinner, and then after I go to sleep.
Okay, I did my dinner. I
Yes,
did my
I
dinner,
did
or
my
I
dinner.
had my dinner. I had my dinner, and then I will go to sleep.
I had my dinner, then I will go to sleep. Then I
Yes,
will go to sleep.
yes, Tanishka. So, Tanishka, that's it for today. We are out of time. So, hopefully, I will see you again very soon, next weekend. My name is Monisha. Monisha, okay?
Yes, I will do one more conversation with. I also like to connect one more time.
Sure, I'd love to connect with you. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.